In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an OpenAI API key for your custom projects. With an API key, you can connect OpenAI to third-party software like Zapier or Cursor and use any ChatGPT model you want in those tools. It only takes a minute, so let's get started. Go to platform.openai.com. Here you're going to log in or create a new account. Note that this is not the same account as your ChatGPT login. The two are completely separate, and the platform does not require a monthly subscription in order to access. First-time users will need to create an organization before you can create API keys. So go up to the top right and click on Start Building. You're going to need to create an organization name and select an option that best describes you. Then click on Create Organization. You can invite your team members, but you can just click on I'll invite them later. And now you're going to make your first API key. Name your API key something relevant in the way that you're going to use it, like Zapier API key. And then you're going to give it a project. So all API keys need to belong to a project inside of your organization, so we could just call this testing. And click on Generate API Key. Then you're given your API key. You can copy it right here and go to Zapier or wherever else you want and paste that API key in the appropriate third-party place. This is just showing you a preview of what a API call is going to look like through a curl, node, or Python command. You can copy it and test it out for yourself, but it's not required. So click Continue and let's get back to the dashboard. You need to upload credits into the platform in order to use the API. So $5 is recommended. It's a pretty good place to start, but we're just going to say I'll buy credits later. After you're done that initial setup, which you'll only be exposed to once, if you want to create more API keys, you can go to your settings and then click on API keys in the left-hand menu. Here you can see all the API keys that you've created, their status, the last time it was used, and simply click this Create New API Key button on the top right if you want to create a new one from here. In this case, we're going to make it for make.com. We can add it to our testing project and create API key. Notice that when you close that dialog, you won't be able to copy the API key again. You'll be able to edit it, you might change the permissions, but you can't actually access that copyable text again. So if you need to create a new one, just go through the process again. Before you can start using these API keys, you're going to need to add a payment method and add credit to your account, which your prompts will chip away at slowly. So click on Billing over here on the left and add a new payment method. I recommend starting small with just $5. Each prompt is only going to cost you a few cents, and if you're curious, you can dive into the pricing of each model. Now, the pricing varies widely, but all of them are based on a 1 million token input, and that's what this dollar amount here is based on. Now, one token is about 4 characters, so each prompt is really only going to cost you a couple cents at most of which are going to be fractions of pennies. But give it a try, take a look, and if you're trying to optimize a larger system, that's when you're really going to care about the pricing model. But for now, $5 is going to be more than enough for testing. Need help building your own low-code AI projects? XRay Hourly matches builders like you with vetted experts for one-on-one collaborative sessions. We'll help you get your project up and running and show you how it all works at the same time. There's no long-term commitment, just schedule as much time as you need on a flexible hourly basis. Go to hourly.xray.tech to get started. With an OpenAI API key, you can use whichever ChatGPT models you'd like for your custom projects in Zapier, Cursor, and more. Let me know in the comments below, what are you building with OpenAI? And what are you getting stuck on? Tell me about it, and I just might make a video about the topic. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe to the channel for more AI and automation updates every single week. You can also find me and my company XRay by searching for XRay Automation on nearly every social media platform. For now, I've got to go, so until next time, find your focus and stay in flow.